Sunday, the 21st of September 2025, Dallas, Georgia. About 70 degrees, going to about 87, down to about 67 tonight. And folks, you can tell a big difference. Reflection of the sun off that window up there. The temperature is much warmer. Excuse me, these sneezes come on so fast I can't control them. We're waiting on a video to upload of Dallas Hackworth Highway, so we're going to walk Dallas Main Street with the Insta360. Dallas was founded in May 14th, 1852, but not incorporated into a city until February 8th, 1854. The elevation of Dallas, Georgia is 1,043 feet. The population as of the 2025 census was 15,545. Well, that is a population as of 2025, but not the census of 2020. The square mileage area of Dallas, Georgia is approximately 4.5 miles, with about 4/10, it said, I think, of water. So let's run this up a little bit. We've got to get a microphone set up where we can run this thing up and do better. Leonard Skinner Tribute, October 3rd, $23 to $25 at the Dallas Theater. Etowah Brewery over there. Not in business yet. Looks like they're working on it. Not really sure really what the deal is. Working on renovating the old clock tower. We are hoofing it this morning while we're waiting on that video to upload. Bullock Plaza having a Boo Bash October 18th. Another train, we've already missed one train today. And that's what I call good scaffolding. Nice, secure. Don't tell them what that cost. Putting it together, the structure, the angles, everything. Right, nice. I'm gonna run this up higher, above these, well, yeah, let's run it up above the trees. Well, if we do that. Johnny McCracken Tavern, Dallas, Georgia. That's rather interesting. I like that. Not up too high, but I don't know that y'all can hear me very well. Maybe there are a couple of cornerstones over here. That National Bank ought to have a cornerstone. And it looks like this building over here has a cornerstone. Dallas Lodge. I would have thought these older buildings would have had cornerstones. No date. Why in the world wouldn't you put a date on the that courthouse ought to have a cornerstone. Okay, now this one does, 1925. Okay, well that video should be finished uploading now. We will walk down this side of the street and then come back to the van and head on to Lindale, Georgia, and then over to the Coosa Locks. And we're already spending a whole lot more time than we intended to. And there is the Dallas Police Department right there. I think we want to walk right down the middle of the street so we can get both sides. Let's wait for these cars to come by. And we will do a combination of walking and backing so to keep an eye on vehicles as to not run us over. Move over slightly to this side. That way we should be fine. We should be fine over a little bit this side until that car comes down the road right there. This is camera. You guys smile, y'all are on 360 camera. Haven't seen any cats, dogs, any kind of critters. Okay, well let's go back. We will turn this video off. We will be on our way. That other video should be uploaded. We'll go ahead and make it public.